Hey guys, David here. The absolute best entry I've ever seen in Bitcoin in my entire time of trading looks like it's about to trigger. Have a look at the charts I'm about to show you. I think it's incredible. Let's have a look. Here we are on the Bitcoin weekly time frame. Now have a look at this signal. RSI weekly time frame. My absolute favorite entry looks like it's about to trigger an RSI trend line breakout. And to top this off, we currently have continuation divergence. If you don't know what continuation divergence is, look it up. But basically, we have a lower low on the RSI, which we do not have in price action, suggesting that this is about to explode, basically. And on the RSI trend line, that's just coiling, waiting for an explosion. To top this off, on the MACD, we have the same signal as confirmation is about to break out through an MACD trend line, and we have MACD continuation divergence. Two signals on two separate indicators that are aligning perfectly. That is awesome in my mind. Let's see what happened last time we got these sort of signals on the weekly time frame. Here we are on the MACD. We had a lovely few peaks and we had a breakout of the MACD trend line. What does that leave us? Entry there at $11,000, smack on, perfect entry before the bull market run that we had in 2020. We had a 450% move after that signal. That is awesome. Unfortunately, we did not get the same signal on the RSI. In fact, it was closer to an entry around $18,000, $20,000. So it just didn't work out on the RSI. And there is no continuation divergence. In fact, there's no divergence at all. This time round, we have continuation divergence plus an RSI trendline breakout. I'm not saying there's going to be a 400% move, but there might. This is technical analysis. It does not take into account stock market crashes or other like black swan events that could potentially happen. This is just technical analysis based on the price action that we're seeing. So there's no guarantees. However, the odds are looking good. Now, these signals, they may not trigger. We might approach the trend line, then bounce and go back down. So I'm waiting for the signal before entering, but you never know. It might just go straight up. I don't know how it's going to behave. Either way, I am looking for the signal. I'm really looking forward to this signal on the weekly time frame, because when it's on the weekly time frame, that's the best signals you'll ever see. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please like and subscribe.